Hello, everybody. I got these Audio Technica headphones. They're the ATH AD 500Xs. And these had a pretty messed up cord, and they were missing a piece, but I got them for $5. So I figured they were worth saving. So here's how I did it. Alright, I wanted to cut back in, because I did try to fix these just with the original cord, but it was just in far too bad shape. So I just converted them to have a headphone jack so I could use any headphone to headphone cord. I'm trying to think, I think that's a 2.5 millimeter. After that, I had to 3D print these two mounts to replace the pad that was missing. I did these. They're pretty simple, but they actually work and they're very comfortable. These things actually sound really good. They sound as good or better than my Sennheiser 650s that I have. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.